Starting the day with a healthy breakfast sets the tone for energy, focus, and better choices throughout the day. In today's video, we're bringing you quick and easy ideas to jumpstart your mornings. Welcome to the Quick Fix Time. Healthy breakfast ideas. Number 1. Greek yogurt with honey and berries. Combine creamy Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and a handful of fresh berries. It's rich in protein, antioxidants, and naturally sweet. Number 2. Avocado toast with egg. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread mashed avocado over it, and top with a soft-boiled or poached egg. Sprinkle with a little salt and pepper for a perfect balance of healthy fats and proteins. Number 3. Oatmeal with nuts and banana. Cook quick oats in milk or water, then add sliced bananas and a sprinkle of almonds or walnuts. This combo keeps you full for hours and provides a fiber boost. Number 4. Smoothie bowl. Blend frozen bananas, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk to make a thick smoothie. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, chia seeds, and sliced fruit for a colorful, nutrient-packed meal. Number 5. Peanut butter banana wraps. Spread natural peanut butter on a whole wheat tortilla, place a banana in the center, and roll it up. It's quick, portable, and packed with protein and potassium. Number 6. Chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with your choice of milk and a bit of sweetener, then refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with berries or nuts for a delicious, fiber-rich breakfast. Number 7. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Spoon low-fat cottage cheese into a bowl and add chunks of fresh pineapple. It's a simple, high-protein breakfast that's both sweet and refreshing. Number 8. Vegetable omelette. Beat a few eggs and pour them into a hot non-stick pan. Add diced peppers, onions, spinach, and mushrooms. Fold and cook until firm for a veggie-packed start to your day. Number 9. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats, chia seeds, milk, and a little maple syrup in a jar. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy in the morning with fresh fruits on top. Number 10. Breakfast burritos. Scramble eggs with black beans, peppers, and cheese. Wrap everything up in a whole wheat tortilla for a hearty and satisfying breakfast you can grab and go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes and healthy ideas. See you in the next video.